Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the topic operation of a real number. Real number, part of the real numbers, operation of a real number. In operation of a real number, we will discuss addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. How to multiply and divide of a rational and irrational number combined both number. How to multiply or divide, or addition and subtraction. First addition. Numbers are given 2 root 3 minus 5 root 2 and root 3 plus 2 root 2. How to add this number? First add 2 root 3 minus 5 root 2 plus root 3, because both are adding, then sign will be plus 2 root 2. Then total answer means, see, this terms and this term is a like term, it means a root 3 and root 3, and this terms and this terms is a like term. Adding or subtracting the root 2 with the root 2 and the root 3 terms root 3. It means 2 root 3 plus root 3, answer will be a 3 root 3. And second is a minus 5 root 2 and plus 2 root 2. Plus and minus minus, then subtract this number. 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. That means 3, the result will be a negative, because of 5 is greater than 2, then minus 3 root 2. Take the common of the numbers 3 and answer will be root 3 minus root 2. It is answer. It is addition of a real number. Real number addition is given. First of all, the all numbers are adding together. Then like terms is adding. It means root 3 and root 3 both terms, and then both terms is the like terms. And 2 root 3 plus root 3 adding 3 root 3, and minus 5 root 2 plus 2 root 2 both are a subtraction, because 5 root 2 and 2 root 2, 5 minus 2 is equals to 3, the result will be minus 3 root 2. It is the answer. Next questions are given based on the addition. 3 root 2 plus 7 root 3 plus root 2 minus 5 root 3. Yes, same pattern, simplify these questions again. Root 2 and root 2, two terms are a root 2, it means both are a like terms, and this is a like terms also, because root 3 and root 3 are both are root 3, and root 2 and root 2 both are root 2. Then adding 3 root 2 plus root 2, answer will be 4 root 2. And second is a 7 root 3 minus 5 root 3, both are a subtraction. 7 minus 7 root 3 minus 5 root 3, answer will be 2 root 3, plus result is a positive, because 7 is a greater than 5, 2 root 3. It is the answer. Between numbers is a directly add, only one point is a checking, the number is a like terms is a adding together, and unlike terms directly write. It is a addition, and second is a subtraction. How to subtract this number? Numbers are given 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3, 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 minus 7 root 5 minus sign of a minus, because both are a subtraction. This number subtract to this number, then write 3 root 3 minus root 2 and plus root 5. This sign, minus sign, multiply all the terms. That means 2 root 2 plus 5 root 2 3 minus 7 root 5 minus 3 root 3, and minus multiply this plus root 2 and minus multiply minus root 5. Then like terms is a root 2 and root 2, this is the like term. Then adding this term 2 root 2 plus root 2, answer will be 3 root 2, plus second root 3 and root 3 both are like terms, root 3 and root 3, adding these terms 5 root 3 plus minus 3 root 3, answer will be plus minus and minus, result will be a 2 root 3. And last step 7 root 5 and root 5 both are a minus sign, it means negative and negative positive, it means both are a addition, but sign convention is a negative sign. Both are a like terms, and 7 root 5 and root 5, answer will be a minus 8 root 5. It is answer. This question is answer 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 minus 8 root 5. It is the subtraction and it is the addition. Next is the multiplication. How to multiply any numbers, any rational or irrational number to other rational number. 2 root 6. Numbers are given 2 root 6 into 3 root 3. Then root 6 break into a root 2 and root 3. Root 6 break into root 3 into root 2 into 3 root 3. Then root 3 multiply because both are power 1 by 2. Root 3 power 1, 3 power 1 by 2 and 3 power 1 by 2. Both are a power adding because base are the same. Then 3 power 1. Answer will be 2 into 3 into root 2 into 3. Yes, into is equals to, it is 3 and 1 time 3 again. Then answer will be 3 2 is 6 and 6 3 is 18 root 2. Answer will be 18 root 2. Because this is a 2 root 6. First 2 root 6 break into a 2 root 3, 2 root 3 and root 2. Because root 6 break into root 3 and root 2 and 3 root 3. This is a 3 root 3, right? And root 3 multiply. Their result is a 3. 2 multiply by 3 and root 2 into 3. Then 3 3 is a 9. 9 2 is a 18. 18 root 2. It is the answer. It is a multiplication. And last is the division. It is a process to multiplication. Next is the division. How to divide the number 16 root 6 divided by 4 root 2. 16 root 6 into a root 3 into root 2. Root 6 break into root 3 into root 2 divided by 4 root 2. Root 2 cancel out. 4 1 ja 4 and 4 4 ja 16. Then answer will be 4 root 3. Answer will be 4 root 3. It is division. In the process of division, just divide the numbers 16 root 6, it is the first number, and divided by 4 root 2. This is number is a 4 root 2. Then first of all root 6 convert into a root 3 into root 2. 16 into root 3 into root 2 upon me 4 into 4 root 2. Then root 2 cancel out because both are a division. Root 2 cancel out and 4 1 ja 4 cancel out 16. 4 1 ja 4 4 4 ja 16. Then answer will be 4 root 3. Answer will be 4 root 3. It is the process operation of a real number: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Last some question based on the simplify. Both are addition, multiplication and division. How to simplify these questions? Questions are given. Simplify these questions. How to simplify these questions? First questions is a root 3 plus root 2 whole square. Using the identity a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab is equals to, apply this identity and solve these questions. Root 3 whole square, second plus root 2 whole square plus 2 into root 3 into root 2. Then answer will be root 3 whole square is equals to 3 plus root 2 whole square is equals to 2 plus 2 root 6. It is 2 plus 3. Answer will be 5 plus 2 root 6. Answer will be 5 root 6. It is answer. Answer will be 5 root 6. First questions based on the identities a plus b whole square. A plus b is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. The questions are given based on the a plus b whole square. This terms is a let a and this terms is a b. Then a square root 3 whole square plus root 2 square plus 2 into a into b. It is a convert directly using the formula. Second questions based on the root 4 plus root 3 and 4 minus root 3. These questions based on the formula a plus b and a minus b. Identities a plus b and a minus b. A minus b. is equals to a square minus b square. We use the directly a plus b, and a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. Then this is a form of a plus b, and this is a form of a minus b. Then we can write directly 4 square minus root 3 square. Then 4 square is equals to 16, and root 3 square is equals to 3. Answer will be a 13. 13 will be answer. And last questions, 2 plus root 3 and 3 plus root 5. 2 plus root 3 and 3 plus root 5. 2 plus root 3 and 3 plus root 5. How to multiply? Because this is a not apply any formula. This is a not pattern of a plus b or a minus b. This is not pattern of a plus b whole square, or not pattern of a minus b whole square. Then first multiply all the terms one by one. Like a first number multiply both number, first and second. And second number also multiply both the number. Then first of all 2 multiply 3. Second 2 multiply root 5. Third root 3 multiply 3. And last root 3 multiply root 5. Then 3 2 is 6 plus 2 root 5 plus 3 root 3 plus root 50. Then complete this, not any terms adding, because all terms is unlike terms. Root 5, root 3, root 15, it is answer. This is answer of the question. This question is done the simplify. It is using the sum formula, or if the formula are not applying these questions, then we multiply directly. Concept of this first number multiply the both number, and second number multiply also the both number. It is the operation of a real number. This complete this session, operation of a real number, and some questions based on the rationalization. Next video I will discuss. Okay, thank you students.